Hello, who is that?
Hey, it's John. We need to deploy that security patch right now.
Oh, I didn't really finish it yet, but can we do that on the next Thursday or something?
I don't care if it's not fully tested. We need to show progress.
But we can't afford to show negative progress. We need to fully test the code and...
Look, I understand your concerns, but this comes from the top. We're pushing it live today.
But the first rule of project development is to never deploy new code on Fridays. Maybe we'll do that on Monday.
No, Monday is not an option. It has to be done before the weekend.
But that would be a really bad decision.
I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Your job is to follow orders, not question them. Get it done in the next hour.
But what if the code contains some bugs or something? I don't know.
I don't want to hear any more excuses. Just make it happen.
Yep, sure. Bye.